Hello friends, welcome to my channel. This is the reading for Scorpios for the month of August 2020 in their love matters. And I have shuffled the cards and laid them out so that we can just start with your reading and we do the clarification side by side wherever needed. So on my right I have the cards of your person you're dealing currently, and on my left I have your cards. Okay, and this is the reading for Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus. And cross watchers are also welcome, but remember the energy can be vice versa, so take whatever resonates. Okay, so let's start. So Scorpios, what I'm feeling here is that you have been, most of you have been dealing with with multiple romantic partners, or it can be two people. Okay, for most of you, so you are dealing with two people recently in your past, and the two people, they are totally different in their perspectives, in their energy, in the way they are, in their personalities. Okay, but despite of that, what I'm feeling here is that there is some sort of discontentment and dissatisfaction inside you. Okay, so you may have been dealing with many people, may have been dating with some people in your past, but none of them are really able to satisfy your inner desire, okay, for a person or a partner in your life. So they all are good people, or they may have been good, but there is something which you are looking for. Maybe you are also not aware of that, and that thing is leaving you discontent. Okay, so what I'm feeling here is that most of you presently are not satisfied in your love life. You are feeling discontented. You are you're feeling that something is lacking. Okay, but what I see in the near future is that someone new is coming into your life, someone of a Queen of Diamonds energy. So this person will be a real charming person, magnetic personality, and you will be attracted to this person the moment you see him or her. Okay, so this will be such kind of person, and on seeing and on talking with this person, you will realize that this is the person you were looking for, and suddenly the void inside you, the loneliness which you were feeling, okay, in your past relationship, will soon disappear on coming of this person in your life. Okay, so what I'm feeling here is that the entry of this Queen of Diamonds person in your life will be like a real victory for you, something which you were looking for, and you got that. Okay, what I'm also seeing here is that Two of Diamonds with a victory card, which is telling me that although this person will seem a real victory to you, okay, a jackpot, something you were waiting for once in a lifetime, like a person. Okay, but here is a caution that although you both will enjoy a lot together, okay, and you see a lot of good future with this person, but here is a caution that there is something which is hidden from you. Okay, there can be some secrets, either this person is keeping from you, or something you both are not aware of. Okay, so some issues, some problems are there with this person which are hidden, okay, which you don't know. So although there is enjoyment, there is satisfaction, there is happiness, but something is there to be taken care of. Okay, so let's move on to the reading of your person, what I'm seeing here. So uh, in your person's reading, I'm seeing that this person is quite a confusing personality. Okay, this person does not know what he wants or what he desire, okay, from life, just the way you were, okay, before meeting this person. When you met this person, you come to know that yes, you want this kind of person. And similarly, this person is confused and he does not or she does not know what he really wants or what she really wants, okay. So what the decision they take is based on their impulsions or based on someone else giving them proposals and they simply accepting that, okay. So what I'm feeling here is that maybe you have approached this person, okay, or you will approach this person, and this person seems confused over this. But like I said, this person is someone who does not really know exactly what he wants, so he or she tries to look into everything, okay. You can say it like that. When you don't know actually where you want to go, so it really does not matter in which direction you are going, okay. So this person is maybe like that. So you gave him or her the proposal because you are so attracted to this person, and this person accepts your proposal but is confused, okay. So, and in confusion they have accepted your proposal. It's like whenever you're confused, just do it. So this is the person, okay. So I think this is the motto of their life, that whenever you're confused, just do that thing which is confusing you. So that's why they are in this. And presently I'm seeing here is that this person wants to start on a new journey with you, okay. Or maybe they have started, many of you have started already, or you will start with this new person moving ahead, okay. And but what I see here in the immediate future with this person is that soon this person is going into a trance of loneliness. This person is feeling lonely. I see that this person is going into a Queen of Spades energy in the immediate and the near future, okay. So this is because this person is confused, he does not know, maybe a detached type of personality, okay. And maybe maybe you feel like this person has multiple faces, okay, or multiple personalities. When you met them, they were so charming and magnetic personality, okay, and you were looking forward to it. But soon, after some time being together, this person is transforming into a Queen of Spades energy, something more like a toxic energy, okay. So initially it can look like someone being isolated, or someone who does not want to talk to people or does not want to communicate the way he's feeling, and just want to be alone in his own life. Selfish, self-centered personality, okay. So you will start feeling like this in the immediate and near future with this person. This is what I'm feeling here, okay. So this is a sort of strange, not so strange, but yes, strange reading, okay. So I think this is somewhat of a personalized reading for someone or many of you who are seeing this video, okay. I hope this situation resonates with few of you, because I'm seeing that this is someone's personalized or customized reading which have come here today, okay. So let's see the messages from universe and divine for Scorpios for the month of August 2020. Okay. Okay, so we have two cards. As you can see here, this is the okay, so the 10 of diamonds and the 6 of hearts, which is the card of lovers. So Gemini. So what I'm feeling here is that this person wants to start, this person wants a serious commitment in his or her life, a family, a home. He wants a committed relationship, okay? And I also see the 6 of hearts, which is the card of lovers. So this person wants love, and this person wants, or maybe this is for both of you, okay? So both of you want love in your life, true love, which can yield to this committed relationship, okay? So I think the message from universe and divine is that you both are quite similar to each other, okay? You were also going through the same phase, right? You had some people in your past with whom you were dating, but you were not satisfied. Then you met this person, you realized, okay, this is the one. And this person is also going or evolving through the same phases, okay? And more or less you both are similar. You were not satisfied with those people because they were giving you so much less, okay? What you want is love, a true love which can yield to a happy family and home, okay? So you were looking for commitment, and this person is also looking for commitment and love, which maybe this person is not aware right now, okay? So this is the beautiful message I have received from the universe and divine for you guys. And I think now this whole makes sense why this energy is so scattered and haphazard and strange energy. I was saying because you both are quite similar. Maybe you are soulmates or twin flame, mirror image of each other, but in a different phase of evolution, okay? Sorry. So but the desire you both have inside is similar, which is finding a true love and making a good, happy family, a committed relationship. So this is you were looking for, and you both are looking for a strong foundation and a strong committed relationship, okay? So, and I hope that you both will realize it together, okay? And this person going into a Queen of Spades energy, maybe because this person has somewhere felt like you are not giving them what they want. Maybe you are not giving them a strong foundation, okay? Whatever it is, maybe it is related to some insecurities they already have inside, okay? So I hope the situation will evolve. We will see in the next month how the situation evolves, okay? And how you two relate to each other, okay? But the message of universe and divine is well clear here, right? So I hope this makes sense, Scorpios, and I hope you enjoyed your reading. We will see in the next video in the next month. Till then, take care. God bless you. Love you. Thank you for watching and for your support. Bye bye.